Bonus questions. Change the following active statements into passive statements. 又係 passive， 又係嗰句 slogan。Verb to be 再加 past participle。另外，改寫句子去到 passive statements， 亦都仍然係呢5個 step。Step 1 Read the sentence. Step 2 Comprehend the sentence. 理解嗰句句子。Step 3 Identify the subject, the verb and the object. 揾出個 subject 主語 verb 動詞同埋 object 賓語。Step 4 Start to rewrite. 跟住就寫得㗎啦。仍然要留意喺改寫嘅過程裏邊，寫到動詞嗰 part 一定要記返 verb to be 再加 past participle。Step 5 Read again to proofread。最尾讀多次去確保冇 stupid mistakes。Number 1 Step 1 You should not put the paper into the rubbish bin。你唔應該放嗰啲紙入去個垃圾箱。咁將會改成嗰啲紙唔應該被你放去入垃圾箱。Step 3 You, subject, should not put the verb, the paper, object, into the rubbish bin. That is the adverbials, talking about the place. Step 4又寫到個 verb should not put verb to be 再加 past participle should not put 變成 should not be put。呢句亦可以寫成 The paper should not be put by you into the rubbish bin， 也可以㗎。意思係嗰啲紙唔應該呢被你放去個垃圾桶入邊。Number 2 Step 1 The club should recruit enough helpers before the activity。嗰個學會應該要招募足夠嘅助手喺個活動之前，即係喺個活動之前招募足夠嘅助手啦。將會被改成足夠嘅助手應該要被個會招募到喺個活動之前。Step 3 The club subject should recruit the verb enough helpers object before activity adverbial it is about the time when. Step 4 寫到嚟個 verb to be 再加 past participle should recruit 變成should be recruited。by the club。Step 5 Enough helpers should be recruited by the club before the activity。足夠嘅助手應該要被個學會招募喺個活動之前。Number 3 Step 1 The hospital authority is going to hold a talk about COVID-19 next month。醫管局 將會舉辦一個關於 COVID-19 嘅講座，喺下一個月。呢句將會改寫為一個關於 COVID-19 嘅講座將會係被醫管局舉辦，喺下一個月。Step 3. The hospital authority subject is going to hold the verb a talk about COVID-19 object. Next month, it is the time. It is the adverbial which is about the time. Step 4. Is going to hold 呢個 verb 又要轉啦。Verb to be 再加 past participle。Is going to hold 變成 is going to be， 呢個就係 verb to be 啦。Is going to be 再加返個 past participle hold held held。Step 5. A talk about COVID-19 is going to be held by the hospital authority next month. 一個關於 COVID-19 嘅講座將會被醫管局舉辦，喺下一個月。又或者你可以寫成A talk about COVID-19 is going to be held next month by the hospital authority， 咁都可以㗎。Number 4. Step 1. DHA is not going to hold talks about COVID-19 this month. Step 2. 醫管局將係唔會舉行有關 COVID-19 嘅講座喺今個月。咁呢一句將會變成呢一個月呢，關於 COVID-19 嘅講座呢，係唔會被醫管局舉辦㗎。Step 3. Subject DHA verb is not going to hold. Object talks about COVID-19. This month it is the adverbial which is about when. Step 4. Is not going to hold. Verb to be 再加 past participle is not going to be held. Hold held held， 所以將個 hold 變成 held。Step 5. Talks about COVID-19 is not going to be held by DHA this month. 呢個時候發現到呢度係 talks， 所以呢度應該係 talks。當呢度係 talks about COVID-19 之後，呢度呢應該要轉做好 proofreading 係咪好重要呢？好，講住咁多先，大家加油，補測見，拜拜。